Good morning, gorgeous people. So today we actually don't have bird food, but I decided to give them dry rice. And so as you can see, they're enjoying the rice. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is white rice, dry rice. So yeah, a blessing for a day. Okay, bye bye. Oh my god, they can hear me. That's amazing. So if you do not have bad food, so you should just give them dry rice. They really enjoy it. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. And oh my god, that's it. Okay. So let me scare them for a while so that the video will look amazing. So, ta-da!